This is a final video to fix the Hisense washing machine F06 error for good. Do you feel frustrated because your washing machine stops right in the middle of a wash cycle? This annoying problem usually happens because the motor cannot spin properly or the internal sensors send the wrong signal to the brain of the machine. You might find many videos on social media that are very long and hard to follow. Most of those solutions just make you feel more confused. Here at Rexish, we make things easy for you. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if your machine seems completely broken. You should pause this video right now to try these steps one by one, or take a few screenshots so you do not miss anything important. I will not waste your time with complex words because these 4 secret methods solve the issue quickly. Each method targets a different part of the hardware to clear the error code instantly. You do not need any special tools or expert skills to get your laundry started again. Just focus on the instructions and stay calm while you work. Watch the visuals closely and follow the method step by step as they show on the screen.